Hi, Brad from WPSites.net. Let's take a look at adding a checkout page image upload field in WooCommerce. So as soon as you install the plugin, you get a settings. You go to WooCommerce checkout upload field settings. Here you can choose which product category the image upload field will apply to. So if the product's not in the selected category, the image upload field will not show. You can set the label here, which is added just before the image. When the image is uploaded and the checkout is complete, you can send the image in order emails to the customer and also to the admin, so you've got controls for that. There's two different placement positions. The image upload field, the default position, which is after the email address, and also before the submit button. And you can display the image upload fields conditionally based on the payment options. So you set all that up here. In this case, we're choosing a product in the WooCommerce Demo category, and it's only going to display when cash on delivery payment option is selected. So let's go to the product here, which is in WooCommerce Demo. If it wasn't, then the upload field will not display. So we'll add that to cart. We'll go straight to the checkout. And let's have a look here. We've got the different payment options here. Direct bank transfer. What did we select? We selected cash on delivery. So it's not going to display for these options. It's only going to display for cash on delivery. And there it is there. So let's find an image. We've got a picture of a cat. And it's added there. We'll place the order, and the image is also added on the order details screen. So the checkout's complete now. We go to the order details. We'll have a new order come through here, and we'll check the order details for the admin. And here we have it. We have the image here. It's also stored in a custom folder in the WP Content Uploads folder. So we selected order emails as well. So we go to the order emails. Display images. And here we have it. And you can customize this as well because we've got the setting for that here, the field label. So this is on the new order. And for the customer. So they get that as well. So there it is there. Now we can test out the conditions. WooCommerce Demo. Let's change the category here to add-ons. And we'll do another demo. And the demo is over here. So let's go to the demo, and the demo is in the WooCommerce Demo category, so it's not going to display, so we can just test that out. Cash on delivery, direct bank transfer, check payments, credit cards. So we test all of these. There's no image upload field because it needs to be in the specific category, which in this case is set at WooCommerce Demo. Where are we? So it will display now. And there it is there. We've selected cash on delivery. So let's just change the cash on delivery to credit cards. And we'll need to refresh the page. So there it is for credit cards. Now if you're using custom payment options here, not these defaults there, we will change them in the plugin for you, at no additional charge. So there's a little bit about that there. This is HPOS compatible for high performance storage. It's been tested for that. It's been run through plugin check. So it follows coding best practices for security, performance, and accessibility. You'll find a contact form at the end of the product page there. If you've got more questions, fire away. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Cheers.